session 2. But before starting that, let me tell you an amazing fact about water. Water helps in reducing weight. Yes, it also reduces heart diseases. At the same time, it helps in reducing chances of cancer. Isn't it amazing? Just by drinking water, you can stay fit and healthy at same time. So, you should at least drink minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to keep yourself fit and healthy. Now, let's move towards our session. Chapter number 13, Food, Cooking and Preservation. A disease is a state of the body in which a part or whole of the body is not in a comfortable condition. The body starts showing some changes and does not function normally. The signs of a disease are called symptoms. Yes, disease is a state of body in which a particular part or the whole body is not in a comfortable condition. For example, fever. If you are suffering from fever, you will have a hot body temperature and your whole body will ache. So, this having hot temperature and body ache is called symptoms. They are symptoms of fever. Now, deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases are commonly caused due to lack of some nutrients in our diet. A deficiency disease can be cured by eating a diet full of nutrients that are missing in that person's body. Yes, deficiency diseases are generally caused by lack of some specific nutrients. If you will fulfill that nutrient, you will be cured. So, let's have a look. Eating food that is deficient in carbohydrates and protein for a long period of time can lead to a deficiency disease called protein energy malnutrition or PEM. Can you see? This boy is suffering from PEM. He is very lean and thin apart from his tummy. Yes, because he has not taken food which is rich in carbohydrates and proteins from longer period of time. When he will start taking foods rich in carbohydrates and protein, this deficiency, or you can say PEM, will be cured. Eating foods like pulses, cereals, beans, eggs, milk and meat can cure protein energy malnutrition. As I told you, if that boy will start taking these food items, protein energy malnutrition will be cured. Now, deficiency of iron causes disease called anemia. Yes, as I told you earlier, these are blood cells. This is a normal person's blood in which there are so many blood cells, but this is a blood of anemic person. Can you see? In this there are so less blood cells. Yes, this condition is called anemia, where blood cells are very less in number. Eating iron-rich foods such as green leafy vegetables, apples, carrots, beetroots, guavas, jaggery and meat can help in curing anemia. Yes, if we will start taking food rich in iron, anemia will be cured soon and soon we'll have a large number of healthy blood cells. Deficiency of calcium causes weak bones and teeth. Yes, or you can say this condition is called osteoporosis. Can you see it in this picture? This is healthy bone. Isn't it looking very healthy? Whereas this bone is suffering from deficiency of calcium. Isn't it very porous? Yes, it is very weak, and this condition is called osteoporosis. Now, lack of roughage in our diet can cause a condition called constipation. Yes, including foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, salads and cereals increases roughage in the diet and can help in curing constipation. Yes, it is a very terrible disease. Can you see this person? He's holding his stomach because waste material is not coming out easily. So to avoid the condition of constipation, you should take foods rich in roughage. Now, this is a table of deficiency diseases. Here are its causes and what can be done to cure it. First one is night blindness. Yes, night blindness is a deficiency disease which is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, and it can be cured by eating mango, tomato, brinjal, carrot, papaya, egg yolk, green leafy vegetables. Yes. Next one is berry. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Well, what can you eat to cure it? Peas, green leafy vegetables and milk. Isn't it very simple? Next one is scurvy. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. You can take orange, lemon, amla, grapefruit, or in short you can say citrus fruit to cure the deficiency disease scurvy. Next one is rickets. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. We can take milk, paneer, cheese and other milk products to overcome the deficiency of vitamin D. Last one is thrombosis. It is caused by deficiency of vitamin K. Spinach, green leafy vegetables can be taken to overcome this deficiency disease. Now, cooking food. Most food items need to be cooked before they can be eaten. Yes, we can't eat all the food items raw. Cereals, pulses, some vegetables, eggs, meat, fish and chicken needs to be cooked before they are being eaten. Yes, can you eat raw meat or raw egg? No, it's very untasty, isn't it? So, we need to cook them before consumption. Well, some foods like fruits, nuts, sprouts and some vegetables can be eaten raw, that is without cooking. Yes, as I told you, some foods can be also eaten raw, like sprouts. Can you see? This is sprout. Then we have dry fruits. We all eat dry fruits raw, isn't it? Similarly, some fruits can be eaten raw and vegetables also like cucumber. Yes, we generally eat cucumber raw in salads. Some of the ways in which we can cook food are boiling, steaming, baking, frying and roasting. Yes, these are the methods of cooking. We cook different food in different ways, isn't it? We cook milk, or you can say we cook our milk by boiling, isn't it? Sometimes we fry our chicken or fish. So there are various methods for various type of food. We can cook them in variety of ways. items should be well cleaned before cooking. Yes, we should clean them properly to remove any sort of dirt or germs from them. After that, food should always be well cooked in a clean utensil. We should not waste our food. After washing food, we should try to cook them in a clean utensil also. Well, the most important thing, we should never waste our food. Yes, we should eat our food fully instead of wasting it. Now, I have questions for you. So, time please. Match the columns. Here, you have to match column A with column B. Next question is, cross the odd one out. Here, there are group of few words. Okay, and you have to cross the odd one out. This is very simple and interesting also. Well, I expect these answers by next session. Now, let's recall what we learned today. We learned about diseases, specifically deficiency diseases and how they can be cured. Then we learned about cooking food, that we should cook our food well before consumption because all food can't be eaten raw. So, I hope this video was amazing and informative. I'll meet you really soon. Till then, stay safe.